everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a holiday nail art design. I thought I would do something kind of snow and different holiday stuff since the holidays are still happening for me anyways. So if you want to know how to do this design, stay tuned, and I'm going to start with all the products that I'm using. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do my design for it. So we're going to start with what I have on my nails. So right now I am using Bio Seaweed Gel. So I started off with the Bio Seaweed Gel Stronger Base Coat. I did that and then I cured it. And then I am using the color 58 Peony. So I did 2 coats of that. This is just a plain nail there. And then I used the Bio Seaweed Gel No Wipe Top Coat as well. And then we're going to actually put some powder on. So I used a variety of different powders actually for this design. So I have this one here from Beauty Big Bang. This one is, I think it's J28543C. You can use my 10% off code for Beauty Big Bang, which is, what is it, ALL31. I will leave it down below in the description box. And then I used the Born Pretty Star powder as well. I also have a code for that one. It's ALLEX. Sorry, I can't remember my codes right now. I will leave them in the description box. And then I have this one here. It's kind of like a flaky glitter. I can't remember where I got it from. It doesn't have a label on it, but I think I got it from Beauty Big Bang. I'm not 100% sure. But I'm going to show you how I did the powders now that my camera is focusing finally. So first off, I started with the Born Pretty Store powder. So it is kind of like got like a bluish tinge to it, and I like to just use my finger, so I'll zoom you in. Sorry, my camera is being a little bit delayed. So I started off with this, and like you can normally just rub it on, and it's kind of got like a hollow graphic kind of shimmery to it. I like to make sure it's all rubbed in. And then once you're done with that one, before you even add the polish, I just go ahead and do the other one right away. So I'm going to use the Beauty Big Bang one. And then just go ahead on the top of that. Sorry if you can hear my cat in the background. He really wants to go outside. So anyways, I'm going to use my Madam Glam polish, so hold on one sec. So I'm just going to use this Madam Glam Soak Off No Wipe Top Coat. I use this one because this is the one I usually use for powders, and it's already kind of gotten all sparkly inside instead of using the other one. So we're going to do a coat of that. And then I'm going to go ahead and cure it. Alright, so now we did that, we're going to use that flaky glitter one. And again, I'm just going to use my finger for this as well. I really love this glitter. So you just kind of tap it on so it sticks pretty well. So just tap it on there. And then again, we're going to do that with the other one. I'm just going to do it on my 2 fingers. Just kind of like accents. Alright, and then again we're going to just top coat that with the Madam Glam polish. I'm just trying to make sure this one's got it, but I think I got it. Alright. Alright, so now we're going to do some stamping, so that is what my base will be. So I'm going to be using Born Pretty Store, and this is White Night Series. This is Pure. And then I'm going to be using this one. The sticker keeps falling off. also White Night Series, and this one is Time Fly, so a silver and a white. And then I'm going to use this stamping plate by Born Pretty Store. This is the Celebrations BPXL008. So I'm going to do a bunch of different designs, and then we're going to use, this is the Butometry stamper. Alright. So first off, I'm going to use that little snowflake. I'm just going to use the white. And that snowflake again. Then we're going to use the cute little snowman. Alright, and then onto this snowflake pattern. So I'm actually going to use the white and the silver, so I'm going to put the white in the middle, and then I'm going to do silver on the outside. And then I'm going to use that little star one right here. I'm going to do white. Then I just put the silver stars also, and now we're just going to do those little snowflakes again on here. I think we'll do it in silver. Alright, so now I'm just going to top coat and I'll be right back. And that's the finished design. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.